Hey there, college students! Are you struggling with your economics assignments? Fear not, because in this video, I'll be sharing with you my tips and tricks to help you ace your economics course. Welcome to my channel, where we bring the best and most informative videos for you. As a college student studying economics, I understand how tough it can be to keep up with the course assignments. However, with my experience and knowledge, I guarantee to help you understand the concepts better and manage your economics assignments like a pro. The first thing that you need to do is understand the course outline. Knowing what topics you will be studying will give you a good idea of what to expect and how to prepare yourself. You can also plan your time management accordingly and make sure you don't fall behind on schedule. Understanding the course outline also helps you in creating an outline for your assignments that can help you achieve the desired grades. Learning packs a punch only when done in chunks, and you don't want to get pounded while trying to binge learn everything the previous night before submission. My tip is to divide your study into short chunks and give yourself frequent breaks. The recommended technique is Pomodoro technique, which is 25 minutes of study and 5 minutes break. When you're studying economics, taking notes is the most important thing to do, which can be a lifesaver while doing assignments. Jotting down essential concepts, definitions, and even examples of theories will help you commit the information from your course material to memory. Summarizing what you've learned from a chapter or an article is an excellent way to weed out unnecessary information. Take advantage of the many online resources available to you, such as Khan Academy or Udemy. These online platforms offer a wide range of courses to learn from, which are specifically designed for students or professionals. There are also various websites and forums where you can seek out assignment help, including the ever-reliable Quora and Reddit. Making a schedule will help keep you organized and make sure that you stay on track. Break down your assignments into smaller tasks and create a to-do list with deadlines aligned to each task. While making a schedule, always keep an extra day as a buffer in case of the worst time management execution.